It's the Real Estate Trapper, and right now, we live in the trap. Let's get it. Welcome back for another video, and if you're new to this channel, I show you how to get good personal credit to be able to get business credit, and then take that business credit and invest in your business to increase your income. So if you don't know what I do, I'm actually a real estate agent and a real estate investor. I have an exotic car business and an ATM business, and these businesses bring me in between $40,000 and $60,000 per month. So today, we're talking about PenFed Credit Union. You know how I start every video. I always start videos out with receipts so that I can show you all that I've actually applied for a lot of these products that I'm going to talk about, and I know the quote unquote data points that this particular bank and credit union is looking for. So Exhibit A, as you can see here, I was actually approved for a $100,000 auto loan through PenFed. Now this particular car was a G-Wagon. They wanted $150,000, so out the door I would have been out the door at $165, but I told them, you know, I'm not doing it. I was only trying to put down like $30,000. I'm not going to, overpay for, a vehicle. I understand how auto loans are inflated right now. I applied for 125, but as you can see here, PenFed will only do 100,000 because PenFed even knows that the car market is inflated. And this is a bank similar to Bank of America where on cars over 100,000, they won't lend. They'll just stop at 100. Anything over 100, you have to put down the remainder. Before we actually talk about opening an account with PenFed, let's talk about the credit. So if you don't have the credit, then you probably shouldn't open an account at this particular bank. So in the case of PenFed, they use the Equifax credit scores. So as you can see here, I'll put it up in a box. As you can see here, straight from the horse's mouth, they use Equifax. Now, there are several Equifax scores for all my FICO app users. They use Equifax FICO Auto 9 and Equifax Bank Card 9. So if you go in the app and you find the 9 credit scores, they use the Equifax one. I'm telling you that right now. How do I know? Because I've actually applied for this stuff. The only thing that I haven't applied for at PenFed yet is a credit card, which I am. I'm actually just recently opened the account, and I personally don't care how long the account's been open. I'll go ahead and apply for the products. A lot of people ask me about how long do I wait to apply for a credit product. Everybody's financial situation, everybody's credit history is different. I'm pretty stable, so sometimes when I applied for this auto loan, I didn't even have an account, and they approved me. So take that for what it's worth. And just 2 things. If you've had a recent installment payment, that's whether it's a personal loan, an auto loan that you missed, don't apply for any credit products here, okay? You need to be clean for the last 8 months to a year. If you recently had a charge off for a credit card in the last 8 to 12 months, don't apply for a credit card here, you will get denied. You need to be clean, like I said, 8 months to a year. That means on-time payment history. That means no missed payments. And again, like I always say, low credit utilization. Your credit utilization should always be between 1 and 4%. If your credit utilization is between 1 and 4%, you have a way higher chance at getting approved for a credit card no matter what the institution is. As you can see through my videos, I go to these different institutions, whether it's business or personal, and I always get approved because I have very low credit utilization. I keep my credit utilization between 1 and 4. That will get you in the door at most of these places. So as you can see on our website, anybody can open an account with PenFed. All you need is $5. So what happened is you have to open up a savings account first, and they'll do a wire transfer from your current bank account. So when you log in or when you fill out the application, you have to put in account number and routing information, and then they'll do a wire transfer of $5. Now, they instantly open the account. So once you get your savings account open, within the first 10 minutes, you can actually go in and open a checking account. Now, to fund the checking account is just like a $25 debit card deposit that'll come right off your debit card and go into that account. So that's all you have to do in order to open the account. Now, they only have 4 credit cards, okay? So they have the Power Cash Rewards Visa Signature, the Gold Visa, the Platinum Rewards Visa Signature, and the PenFed Pathfinder Rewards Visa Signature. Now, as you can see, they all say good to excellent credit. So now this particular institution, they have the auto underwriting. So it's just like Navy Federal, where you can apply and you instantly get a decision in like 20 seconds or so. So that's a good thing about this bank. Now, as far as their credit products, again, they're very similar, or very similar to most banks' credit products that they have out now. So for their credit products, you need to be in the high 60s, all the way to of course 850, 900 credit score. So as you can see here, the Power Cash Rewards, 2% cash back on no annual fee. Interest rate 14% is the lowest, the highest is $17.99, and this is for the Power Cash Rewards. 1.5% cash back. If you're a PenFed Honors Advantage member, you get 2% cash back. And if you spend $1,500 in the first 90 days, $100 statement bonus. That's cool. Now this Gold Visa is so basic. I personally am not going to apply for this, but it has low interest rate, 7.49 to 1.799, just to 17.99. No annual fee, and you just get $100 statement bonus if you spend $1,500 in the first 90 days. Now here's the next one, the Platinum. So the Navy Federal Platinum is more so similar to this Gold Visa, but their Platinum Rewards cards, again, 5 points on gas, 5 times the points on gas, 3 times the points at the supermarket, 1 time the points on all other purchases, and you get 15,000 bonus points if you spend $1,500. 15,000 bonus points equates to $150. And also, again, on that, no annual fee. Now, as you can see here, this PenFed Pathfinder Visa Rewards Signature is probably a big boy card, most likely. How do I know that? Because there's an annual fee. Normally we have annual fees, those are big boy credit cards. So as you can see, 50,000 bonus points when you spend $3,000 in the first 90 days, 4 times the points on travel. If you're in the PenFed Honors Advantage members program, 3 times the point on all travel for everybody else, and then 1.5 points for other perks. So for their checking accounts, you will be charged a $10 monthly fee. So in order to avoid that $10 monthly fee, you have to have at least $500 in the account daily, or have a direct deposit of $500 that comes to the account monthly. So, take that for what it's worth. Again, $10 monthly fee, whatever. I mean, I'll probably put like $1,000 in the account and leave it there, whatever. It says you can earn more, earn up to 11 times the national average in your checking account balance with our deposit $500 or more. BSAPY. Again, that's not why we use these banks, but we use them for their credit products. So real quick, here are the auto loan rates. 72 months on used cars is 3.1%. That's for good credit. If you do 60 months, you get it at 1.99. And for new cars, as you can see right here, pretty much if you do a 36-month term, you have very good credit, you get 0.99%, which is basically 1%. And if you do 60 months, it's 1.49%. So the car rates are pretty decent. For car loans, they go up to $100,000. But I just wanted to just show you all this PenFed thing, show you all the data points. If you have a good Equifax score, you need to bank here. If your Equifax sucks, don't bank here. Like I tell everybody, go where you have the best score. You need to go bank with that bank. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, we're gonna keep leveling up. Let's get money.